In this video, I am going to teach you about the factors. So, what is factor? What is factor? Factor of a number divides that number exactly. Means, let us take the example 48. And what is the factor of 48? If this number 48 is divisible by suppose 6. So 6 8 are 48. It is completely divided without any remainder. So 6 is the factor of that number. 6 is factor of 48. 6 is the factor of 48. Now, when we will divide by 8 to 48, so it will be 48 divided by 8, 8 6 are 48. The remainder is 0. In the both the case, if we will divide by 6, we will get the result here 8 and there will be no remainder. In other case, by the quotient, if we will divide 8, we will get the result 6. The remainder will be 0. So 8 is also factor of 48. 8 is the also factor of 48. Means 6 and 8. When we will divide any number by a smaller number, in what times we are dividing completely that number and the other number. Both will be the factor of a bigger number. Now, there is some note to be remembered, that is, every number has at least one factor. Every number has one as a factor. Every number has one as factor. Means when we will divide, suppose factor of this 48 only. 48. When we will divide by 1, we will get a result what? In 4 times we are dividing again 8. So 8 times the result is, the remainder is what? 0. So the 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number has 1 as factor. For all the counting numbers has 1 as a factor. Now second point, every number has two factors except 1. Every number has two factors except 1. If we will find the factor of 1, what is the factor of 1? The 1 1 ja 1. The remainder is 0. So here 1 has the only factor as a 1. Both the numbers, if you divide again 1, you will get the same result. So every number has two factors except 1. Other number, suppose you will divide by, you are finding the factor of 2, what is the factor of 2? Suppose, so you will divide by 1, 2 ja 2. What we have got, in how many times 1 has divided the 2? Completely, in 2 times. So 1 and 2 both are the factors. So every number has at least 2 factors except 1. The third point is that every number is the factor of itself. Itself means of that same number. Every number is the factor of itself. For example, suppose I am dividing here 48. So 48, if I will divide in 1 times, what I will get? 1 4 ja 4 divided 8, 1 8 ja 8 divided here. The same I have done over here. So what we have got? 48. 1 is also factor and 48 is also the factor of 48. So every number has the factor of itself. Every number is the factor of itself. If you will divide here, suppose we have divided here 2 by 1. The result we have got, how many times we have divided? In 2 times. So 2 and 1 both are the factors. So this point you have to remember. What is the factor? Every number has 1 as factor. Every number has 2 factors except 1. Every number is the factor of itself. Now let us take a different example. Suppose what is the factor of 24? What is the factor of 24? What is the factor of 24? So factor of 24, when we will read the table, how many times this 24 will be divided? Suppose 1 24 ja 24, 2 12 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24, 4 6 ja 24. Again 5 by 5 we will not, when we will read the table of 5 we will not get the multiple of, we will not get the result 24. So from here it has changed the number. Suppose when you will again if you will read after 5, what you will get? By 5 you cannot get the result 24. So by 6, so 6 4 ja 24. So same we are repeating over here. Same thing. So no need to repeat. From here the factor, we can write that factor of 24 equals to what? Factor of 24, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and again move upward from 6 8 12 24. 6 8 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Let us take the other example. Suppose factor of 36. So factor of 36, factor of 36. What is the factor of 36? So we will multiply like this. 136 ja, we have got the result 36. In how many times we are getting the 36? 2 18 ja 36, 3 12 ja 36, 4 9 ja 36. By 5 we will not get the 36, so by 6 6 ja 36. So again this we have turned into like that. We have got the same number. If we will multiply by 9, again 4 9 are 36 and 9 4 are 36. Same result we will get. So we will here make the like this upward arrow, and we will write factor of 36. What is the factor? 1 2 3 4 6, again 9 12 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. So by the help of this we will do the exercise in next video.